Hello everyone. Today we will be taking you through stage one strategy awareness, which establish the vital foundation for our information system planning process. So our primary goal here is this stage is to align with our upcoming intelligent business system with the high-level strategic objectives of our pineapple manufacturing business. Specifically, we are focusing on two major operational pain, which are they improving raw material quality management and the reduction of waste across our chain logistics. So to measure our success accurately, we have established clear quantifiable targets and metrics that we track directly through our system dashboard as shown across our display charts. So let's dive into our first visualization. So this is a high level goal objective progress versus the target. So we have broken down our two primary strategic goals into six measurable objectives as it can be seen here. And for goal one, which is raw material quality management, represented by the teal bars, we are making excellent headway toward our 95% automated quality grading accuracy target. However, a clear remaining gap still exists in reduction manual inspection time and improving the supplier quality consistency. And for the goal two, which is the cold chain logistic waste reduction, which is shown in the dark blue, we are incredibly close to hitting our 99 temperature compliance target. Meanwhile, we are continuing to work on bridging the remaining gaps for product spoilage and equipment downtime reduction. This chart clearly highlight the exact performance gaps our intelligent business system is designed to solve. This this chart clearly highlight the exact performance gap our intelligence business system is trying to solve. Moving to our second visualization, we have our radar chart, stakeholder engagement and influence. An intelligent business system is only as effective as the people who interact with it. So this radar view maps out six key stakeholder groups, comparing their engagement score against their overall influence level. So the great news is that our executive leadership and operations team are positioned as champions in green with max out engagement and high influence levels. However, if you look at the outer edges, uh, our raw material supplier and logistic cold chains partners are currently sitting in the neutral to supportive zones with lower engagement score. This tells us exactly where we need to focus our change management and communication efforts to ensure full supply chain alignment. So this charts highlight the stakeholder engagement and their impact on our logistics intelligent business system. Finally, let's look at our last visualization. So the strategic risk matrix, which is likelihood versus impact, proactive risk identification is a critical component of strategic awareness. So we have identified and plotted 10 unique strategic risks based on their probability and business impact, color coded by categories: technical, organizational, financial, operational, and compliance. So our immediate attention belong to the shaded high risk zone on the top right. This zone flags our most critical technical organization risks, such as data quality issues stemming from legacy system integration and potential employee resistance to data-driven decision making. Identifying these critical threats early allow us to map out mitigation strategy before moving forward. So this was the strategic awareness part, which is done by Ahmed Abdurrahman. And now I will move to my friend to complete the second stage. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. My part is stage 2 situation analysis. In this stage, we evaluate the current condition of the pineapple manufacturing industry before implementing the intelligent business system. The purpose of this stage is to identify the organization's strengths, weaknesses, technology gaps, data quality issues, and competitive position. This helps management understand what needs improvement before moving to the strategy formulation stage. Dashboard overview. As shown in the dashboard, there are 4 key findings. We identify 4 critical gaps. We are missing 4 systems required for effective operation. The average data quality is 62% and the largest performance gap is 72 compared to industry benchmark. This result indicate that the company still has significant room for improvement in technology adoption and operational efficiency. Let's start with first chart, process gap analysis. The first chart is the process gap analysis, which compares the company's current performance with industry best practice. From the analysis, we can see weakness in several important areas: data integration, predictive maintenance, real-time dashboards, demand forecasting, and staff analyst skills. This area scored much lower than the industry benchmark, showing that the company still relies heavily on traditional and manual processes. On major issues identified during the situation analysis is that quality inspection is mainly performed manually, which can lead to inconsistency and slow decision making. Second chart, we have data quality assessment. The second section is the data quality assessment. That chart evaluates different data sources based on accuracy, completeness, consistency, timelines. The analysis shows that also the company collect a large amount of operational data. Many records are fragmented, inconsistent, and not standardized. Historical quality records and supplier information require cleaning and integration before they can be effectively used by AI and analytics systems. That explains why average data quality score is only 62%. After that, we have competitive benchmarking. The final chart compares the company against the industry average and the top performing competitors. The comparisons show that the company performed below top performance in several key metrics, including quality, accuracy, equipment uptime, inspection speed, temperature compliance, waste reduction. This performance gap demonstrates the need for advanced analytics, AI-driven monitoring, and better data management system. In conclusion, the situation analysis stage reveals that the company faces challenges in operational efficiency, data quality, system integration, and competitive performance. This finding provides the foundation for the next stage, which is strategy formulation, where suitable AI-driven solution and improvement strategies will be developed to address these gaps. Thank you.
Stage 3 strategy formulation. At this stage, we created a clear plan for implementing the AI-based intelligent business system in the pineapple manufacturing company. First, we estimated the total project budget at around 1.61 million. We expect the project to recover its cost within 16 months. By the end of year 2, the company is expected to save approximately 3.08 million. We also identified 4 key AI capabilities that will support the company digital transformation. AI capability portfolio. We divide the project into 3 phases. Phase 1 focus on building the basic infrastructure and preparing the data needed for the AI system. Phase 2 focus on implementing AI and machine learning solution to improve operational and support better decision making. Phase 3 focus on advanced automation, where the system can perform more tasks automatically and improve performance over time. The ROI impact phase complexity. The chart on the left shows the relation between project complexity and business benefits. Some projects are easier to implement and provide quick benefits, while others are more complex but offer greater long-term value. This helps the company decide which project should be implemented first. At the financial projection, on the right side, we can see the financial forecast for the next 24 months. The red bars represent the investments required for the project. The green lines shows the expected savings generated by the system. As shown, the savings continue to increase and exceed the project cost around month 16. After that, the company starts gaining more financial benefits from the system. Strategic outcomes. Finally, we set several performance targets to measure the success of the project. We aim to reduce waste and spoilage, improve product quality, increase equipment uptime, improve temperature control, and increase inspection speed from about 120 units per hour to nearly 457 units per hour by year 2. These targets will help us measure the effectiveness of the AI system and its impacts on business performance. In conclusion, this stage explains our implementation plan, the required investments, and the expected savings, and the targets we want to achieve over the next 2 years. Thank you.
So now we have the implementation planning dashboard for the intelligent business system project at Pineapple Manufacturing Industry. So this dashboard monitors 24 key performance indicators across implementation, quality, cold chain operations, system performance, user adoption, and financial performance. And now at the top, we can see the overall project status. Out of 24 KPIs, 13 are on track, 9 are at risk, and 2 are in progress. So this provides a quick summary of the project's performance. And now the KPI achievement overview on the left shows progress toward KPI targets. Green bars indicate KPIs that are on track, achieving at least 90% of their targets. The orange bars represent the KPIs that need attention, that are between 70 and 89 achievement, and the red bars highlight the KPIs are at the risk, below 70% of achievement. The light colored section of each bar shows the remaining gap to reach the target. KPI trend chart show performance improving over time. System performance has the highest score, while quality management and cold chain operations are steadily improving. However, user adoption is still below the target level and requires further attention. The KPI review cadence section explains how performance is monitored through weekly operational reviews, monthly strategic reviews, and quarterly executive reviews. And finally, we have the full KPI scorecard, which provides detailed information about all 24 KPIs, including their current value, target, progress percentage, trend, and status. So several KPIs are performing well. For example, sensors deployed, equipment uptime, data pipeline uptime, and system availability are all on track and close to their targets. However, some KPIs are at risk. Examples include quality-related waste, product spoilage rate, temperature exertion frequency, daily active users, and features utilization rate. These indicators show area where corrective action are needed. The trend column are also help us to understand whether performance is improving or declining. Upward arrows indicate positive progress, while the downward arrows highlight the KPIs that need immediate attention. Overall, this scorecard helps the managers identify strengths, monitor risk, and make informed decisions to improve project performance.